Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about on how to keep your virtual data room software up to date. Virtual data room are secure online repositories where businesses can store and share confidential documents with third parties in a controlled and secure manner. Here are some tips on how to keep your VDR software up to date. Enable automatic updates. Most VDRs offer an option to enable automatic updates. This will ensure that your VDR software is automatically updated to the latest version. To enable automatic updates, go to the VDRs settings pages and find update setting, then enable automatic updates. Check for updates regularly. Even if you have enabled automatic updates, it is still a good idea to check for updates regularly. You can do this by going to the VDRs setting pages and finding the update settings. Then click the check for updates button. Install updates as soon as they are available. When you see that an update is available, install it as soon as possible. This will help to protect your VDR from known vulnerabilities. Notify your user updates. When you install an update to your VDR software, be sure to notify your user. This will help to ensure that all of your users are using the latest version of the software. Additional tips for keeping your VDR software up to date. Use a VDR provider that offers regular updates. VDR providers should release regular software updates that include security patches improvements. When choosing a VDR, be sure to find one that offers regular updates. Educate your user about importance of software updates. It is important to educate your user about importance of software updates and why it is important to keep their VDR software up to date. You can do this by sending out an email or memo by conducting a training session. Use a patch management solution. A patch management solution can help you to automate the process of installing software updates. A patch management solution can also help you to track which devices have been updated and which devices have not. The benefits of keeping your VDR software up to date. Improve security. Software updates often include security patches that can help to protect your VDR from known vulnerabilities. By keeping your VDR software up to date, you can help to reduce the risk of security breaches and data breaches. New features and functionality. Software updates often include new features and functionality that can improve the stability and functionality of your VDR. By keeping your VDR software up to date, you can benefit from the latest features and functionality. Compliance. Many industry and regulations require businesses to keep their software up to date. By keeping your VDR software up to date, you can help to ensure that you are compliant with all the applicable regulations. Increase trust with customers and partners. Customers and partners are more likely to trust businesses that keep their software up to date. By keeping your VDR software up to date, you can demonstrate to your customer and partners that you are committed to protecting their confidential information. In the last conclusion, if you are not already keeping your VDR software up to date, I encourage you to start doing so today. Keeping your VDR software up to date is a simple and effective way to protect your VDR and confidential data. So that's all everyone. I hope you will understand this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.